this is the work makeup look. So makeup look for work when you're going to work. If you use a simple makeup, and that will be pretty. So here I'm doing the simple makeup for the office going, or anyone who is working. So I have used only few products. So watch the video right now. So I have moisturized my face. Hi everybody. So I have moisturized my face. Okay. So if you moisturize your face, and whatever you apply, your CC cream or BB cream or foundation, then that will absorb into your skin very beautifully. Okay. So after that, I'm taking here the Lakme CC cream. Okay, you can use BB cream even. Okay, and after that, you need to apply it like this, dot dot dot. Okay, like in a dot wise manner. Okay, so you will know how much product you are using. If you blend it out, then you will know. If you want more product, you can take on your hand, so you can use it. So directly don't take a lot of amount on your hand and put it on your face. Just take a little bit, keep like this on your skin. So if it makes less on your skin, you have to use more product. So blend it out. You need to first blend I mean you need to first wet your sponge, your beauty blender. This is the beauty blender from Big Bazaar. I have purchased it from Big Bazaar. Okay, and you have, so if you have a nice beauty blender, you will blend it blends very easily. And okay, so don't use cheap beauty blenders, they will break. Okay, so use this kind of beauty blenders and blend it very nicely. Take time to blend, because if you blend your foundation very nice, your face won't look cakey. Your foundation, I mean your face, your base, anything else won't look cakey at all. So you need to take time for your blending process, because the best part or the main process in makeup is to blend your face. Okay, blend it very nicely. Okay, make sure your beauty blender is wet, and squeeze out lot of water in it, or water is there in the beauty blender, please squeeze out it and dampen it with your towel or your tissue paper. Then you have to use this on your face, because if you won't use or you won't squeeze out excess water from your beauty blender, the lot of what the water has stored in the beauty blender, it will absorb the foundation. So it's a waste of use of using the beauty blender. So here I'm using my compact powder, Lakme compact powder. Okay, so whatever I have used the foundation to make it a little bit dry, not to I mean if you're a oily person, or your face is too oily, so you will get a lot of oil on your T-zone area on your face. So to prevent that from oiling my face, I'm using the compact powder. You can use any compact powder. Okay, and after that, so make everything step by step. Take time to your makeup, don't hurry. Okay, use beauty blenders and night brushes. Keep money on, I mean make sure that the bristles are very soft and smooth, so you can apply in when you are in a quick mood, you need to apply. So whoever go to office, they are really hurry up or they're tensed up, they use they use fast, they use everything fastly. So make sure everything is nice, buy nice beauty blender or nice brush. Okay, So in less time you will make your makeup very nice. So here I'm using the NY, so the compact powder is Lakme, okay, loose compact powder in the shade warm or rose pink, I guess. I don't know. So I think you need to choose according to your face color, okay, your skin color. So here I'm using the NY Bray eyebrow pencil. Okay. So even though, so the thing is that the eyebrow part makes a lot of difference in your shape, okay. Some will do the simple eyebrow, some will do like the arc type of thing. So it's your wish how you want to make your face look. You can go with that look, okay. Some will make the eyebrow bold, some will make these thick, okay. So here I didn't moisturize my lips, so I'm using here the Maybelline baby lips moisturizer, okay. And this smells really good. I never I never used this balm actually. So here I'm using right now. Today I opened it. I bought it from Big Bazaar. You can buy it anywhere. So I'm using the eyeshadow. So this is from the Nika Crushed Berry palette. So here I'm taking the brown kind of eyeshadow from here. Okay, for office going girls, you need to use light transition color or nude colors, because you should not use a lot of colors to when you are going to office, because it doesn't look good. So you need to be simple and pretty, okay. So take a little bit amount. Here I'm using the brown kind of shade, okay. If you use brown colored eyeshadow, is that is good. If you don't, you can go with a light pink or peachy colors, okay. So blend it very nicely. So whenever you do your makeup, take time, complete your work fastly, and take time. You have to. So what when you go to work, the first thing they all look is your face. If your face is dull, more foundation. If your face is cakey, or if your foundation is not good, or you applied a little bit of foundation, that doesn't good look good. So take time to blend, take time to apply everything neatly, okay. Because when you go to office, or when you go to work with people, they observe everything, okay. So when we do our makeup, it has to be like someone has to come compliment us, okay, not to complain over our makeup. So this is really important to make your face look pretty and simple while going to office. So here I'm using the eyeliner from Maybelline, okay. You can it's the what I'm saying is that eyeliner is option, okay. You can some like eyeliners and some don't like the eyeliners. If your eyes are big, and you don't need to apply anything. So you have smaller eyes, so you need to go with eyeliners, because your eyes looks bigger when you apply the eyeliner, okay. And one more thing is that your eyeliner has to be a little bit small, not like dark and uh, long, okay. It has to be simple, because you're going to office and you have to be simple. So here I'm using the Plum Nature Studio Kohl Kajal, okay. This is really pigmented black in color, and you can use any kind of kohl kajal, because and it has to be 24-hour or long lasting kajal, because you're going to work for a lot of time, and the kajal not needs to fade, okay. It should not fade. So here I'm using the plum, and this is gold, this is really black. You can use any kajal you want or any eyeliner you want, and you can skip this step. Even if you don't want to use the kajal, you need to skip this. So kajal is nothing but the eyeliner or the waterline where you apply. Okay, so the same shade which I have used on my eyeshadow, so I'm using in the uh, same on the waterline. I'm not the waterline, the so near the waterline. So same shade, use the same shade. And this is it's your wish. If you want to apply down there, it's okay, or you don't want, it's okay. So you can see your eyes look really opened up. Okay, so next step is here I'm using the Lakme Iconic Mascara. You can use any kind of mascara like Maybelline, Lakme, L'Oreal, Rimmel, anything. Okay, there are lots of Wet n Wild. So I have used lastly, I mean previously I have used a lot of mascaras. Everything I have purchased and have used it, but I didn't make a video. I mean, I didn't make a YouTube channel that year. So I have used every mascara, every product, beauty product. I didn't make a video because I didn't thought of YouTube on those days. So I'm really interested in doing these things. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please like and share with your friends and comment. Okay, and sorry for the disturbance if you hear any kind of song. Okay, please excuse me for that. Okay, and if I make any kind of mistake in the video, please tell me so that I can learn from you guys. Okay, from the same palette, I'm from the same palette, eyeshadow palette, I'm using the pink kind of eyeshadow for blush. I'm not using the heavy blush. Okay, when you're going to office, you need to be simple and nice. So here I'm using the little bit of eyeshadow, pink eyeshadow as my blush. Okay, so you can see the difference, and the blush has to be a little bit like a baby pink in color, not like dark pink in color. Okay, so this is really good. When you laugh at your face, you will be like blushed. Okay, you have to look you need to look pretty all the time. So make sure your eye makeup, your lips, everything, your foundation has to be flawless, your eyebrow has to be very good, and you make time the make your eyeshadow look good. Choose the right shade of eyeshadow. Okay, when you're applying like eyeliner, make sure the eyeliner is correctly applied. If you're going to draw a wing, and it has to be good. Okay, don't go in hurry burry doing that. I mean, don't do your makeup in hurry burry. Take time and do the perfect makeup. Okay, the thing the most of girls love is makeup, so take time to do your makeup. I'm not saying like to use hours and hours of doing makeup. You obviously take time to use makeup, but you need to wear your makeup as a professional, and it has to be that like that. Someone has to complicate your makeup. Okay, and this is the Darling Isabella lip color in the shade 2. Okay, Duchess Rose, and the lipstick shade has to be light. It has to be no bold, and okay, it has to be light in color, red in color, or nude in color. But I think bold is it's your wish. If you want to make your bold color, it's okay. So here is my final look for office. Okay, so look at this. So you can wear the watch, or you can wear anything. Okay, so you need to tie it like this, or you can wear a ponytail, or you can leave your hair as well.